Why are we here?
What, like life-wise?
No. Bournemouth. That's very meta. The sun's shining, which is lovely, but also affecting the camera work. Certainly wasn't expecting that.
You guys are idiots.
We're in Bournemouth today with Physio Matters. We're filming our first ever Physio Matters TV episode.
It's the only place in the world that does this course.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. It's intense.
In this instance, you've really got skin in the game. These are going to be the therapists that serve your community. The centre of the bullseye for Physio Matters, really, so it's why we're here.
So that either is really scary, and it can be, or it's really exciting.
We're seeing more exercise science being integrated into healthcare in the UK. Yeah, I definitely understand that criticism.
Here we have an X-ray service, an ultrasound service and an open upright MRI service.
Do you think there's a risk you're going to be accused of being a traitor? What's the difference between physio and chiro?
So, and I always have this issue about thinking, if my back hurts, do I need an osteopath or a chiropractor?
Well, with a chiropractor, you're talking really about the back.
I haven't got a clue.
So Jack, why are we in Bournemouth?
Yeah, I've got to answer that, haven't I now?
How cool is that trailer? Honestly, the ground we're covering this first episode is awesome. I'm Matt, and I'm director and producer here at Physio Matters TV, and I cannot wait for this first episode to go live on the 7th of June. If you're not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, go down here, hit that subscribe button, and then ding that bell, and you'll be alerted as soon as this first episode goes live, and of course whenever we upload new content. Comments and feedback are all very much welcome, as of course are invitations to come and film your projects, topics, or any high quality MSK care that you think the industry needs to know about. And until then, I'll see you on the 7th.